Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to connect your Hollyland VenusLiv Air to your mobile. So first, on your mobile phone, open App Store or Google Play Store and type in HollyCam. It is loading. And we need to download this app. Okay, here we have it. Click Get, Install. Here I need to log in, so okay, I'm logged in, and now require password. Okay, and now as you can see, it is downloading. Now open. We find devices on local network. We need to allow it. Also the Bluetooth. Location allow while using the app. Okay, so here we can view guide or get started. Add device. Here we have the device nearby. Join. It is trying to connect. Okay, and now we have the camera control right here. Open, and as you can see, that's this camera. And here we can change the settings of the video. So for example, sharpness, contrast. Here we have the face autofocus that we can enable, anti-flicker, exposure, and much more. Here we can zoom in. We have the screen recording. Okay, we need to allow photos here. Full access. Allow full access. Go back into the app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.